In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect IC markets to Tradingview. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to tradingview.com. From here, it should look something like this. And once you're in here, you'll need to either sign up to an account or sign into your account if you already have one. From here, it should look something like this, where you'll go up to the products tab up here and then click on it. Once you're in here, you'll see this page right here. And from here, you'll simply need to go down to trading panel down here, and then you'll need to find IC markets, which should be on the first line. From here, you can click on it, and then from here you can see 3 different versions. And this is depending on where your region is. So IC markets is for American users, IC markets AU is for Australian users, and IC market EU is of course for Europe people. From here, you'll simply need to choose the one that is most suitable for you and then click connect. You can also down here open an account with IC markets by clicking right here. Once you click connect, it should bring something like this. And here you'll need to sign into your secure client area by entering your email address and password. Of course, if you forgot your password, you can click here to get a new password for your account. But from here, you'll simply need to click login. And then from here, it will direct you inside of TradingView again, where it will say that it has been connected successfully. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!